Just a super quick video to show you and tell you that a better route planner is now available for the Polestar 2 on the Android Automotive system. Quickly show you how to install it, how to find it, and a super quick overview of what it is. Okay, so the same as the previous videos, anything when you try and install an app, you need some form of internet connection, so either LTE, 3G or on your Wi-Fi. Click on the 4 square thing, go down to the Play Store, and you need to do a search. And as you can see here, just start off with doing a better and it will show up. Again, I still couldn't see this in the all apps screen, but it is here. So we click on this, click on install, and hopefully quite quickly it's been installed. So 22.99 megabytes, so not very big. And the reason you might want a better route planner is it's really handy for good route planning. Obviously it's a better route planner, but for charging stops, and it's also got kind of shared data in there, and it's got stuff if you've got a premium membership, if you're towing and other things as well. So I've obviously used it on my iPhone and on my computer. It's just going to be quite interesting to see kind of what it looks like here on the Android Automotive. Apologies for my voice, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, but I thought I wanted to quickly get a look at this. So this should be interesting. So the car information, that's, I should tell you about the battery and everything as well. Okay, so we can see down here I do currently only have 25% battery, which is cool. So settings, okay, automatically detected that it is a Polestar 2 2021 model. It's changing a couple of things there. Let's see what it's doing. Keeps going to unnamed car or something. Strange. I keep on getting the reminder on my screen here that I'll probably be charging, but I'm okay. Let's look on the detailed information here. Okay, so it already pulls in some reference information, so hopefully the more people that use this tool will improve the kind of routing options and the battery information. So we can put some options in here in terms of using what kind of fast charger it is. So CCS is fast charging, information about the speed, etc. So everything that you have in the normal app. Okay, so we just try some navigation test. So we're going to go from Worcester to, say, Glasgow. Be interesting what this says. So I'll see if I've got hardly any battery. So I do. See what happens. Okay. So as you can see there, it's giving me quite a lot of charging options based on the fact I've got hardly any battery at the moment. So again, we leave Worcester, get to Birmingham, charge up to 45%, should take about 13 minutes, then travel on for another hour and a half, then charge from 10% to 85%, and then we get to Glasgow with 10%. So it's good because you can do different things to configure how long you want to charge for different stuff. I'm assuming you'll probably also be able to import from the app your saved journeys and things as well. I haven't looked to see how you kind of associate your account with it or anything, but yeah, it's pretty good on first looks. But yeah, just so you know it's available, you can download it and mess around with it for yourself. Google Maps is really good on the Polestar 2. but a better route planner is, you know, pretty well known and is constantly being improved, and with some of the premium options as well. So good to have a backup, I say. Okay, so I hope that video kind of helped, shows you something to go and look for. Again, I'm feeling a bit crappy, so I'm going back to bed, but thanks for watching. Please like if it was helpful. Feel free to ask any comments down below. Please subscribe and press that bell icon. It'd be much appreciated. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.